Another very beautiful elevator to the end of there. September 2023 here's Mannerheimintie, Mannerheim 42 stays me. And CSA doesn't have an elevator.
Yeah.
Probably C also doesn't, but we'll check the staircase C. So,
Yeah.
this elevator was built in 1918 already. This is 105 years old.
Yeah.
In 2023. It's owned by Lutero Sense, actually. It has been run by Kone probably in the early 1990s, whether it is evergreen, early evergreen type.
Yeah. It's not called evergreen, but
It wasn't. No, it wasn't called.
Yeah.
But it's this one of the predecessors of evergreen.
yeah.
December 637. The way expected this year, 2023. And the capacity is 4 process of 3 grams. Our inspection is delayed. Should have been in March 2023.
Yeah.
It deserves the rights here. The cab is really beautiful.
Yeah.
Also here in the Helsinki, it's first modernized Finland. No, the doors are very beautiful too.
Yeah.
And as I was saying, I was from Stockholm, I think.
Yeah.
So we have felt several little sense there. And also in Helsingfors a little bit more. 1914 is the oldest in Finland, which is 50% original, as we know.
Yeah.
As of today.
Yeah. These packaged that maintained by Kone.
One of the oldest ever built in Helsingfors.
Yeah.
Because the oldest are, of course, from 1907 to 1909. This is 1918.
Yeah.
Very few from 1914 to 18 as well.
Yeah.
Like Kone even. But unfortunately they are not existing today.
Yeah.
I love this guy. And I love that smell as well.
Same.
Just the year organization is on, but it's probably the first half of the 1990s.
Yeah. Yeah. That's